Hello and welcome to Dad and Zach's Packs. Today we have one of our favorite openings.
A random pack opening.
And you can see what we have in front of us. It's got a nice assortment of packs. The first thing that you see there in the bubble wrap, that is actually from the 2020...
Home Run Challenge.
Right, so Topps runs a home run challenge where you get cards out of these packs, and when you can then pick that player, you pick a date that he hits a home run, and if he hits a home run on that date, then you win a card the Topps will send you. I think we had 7 chances, and we picked 2 of them right. Max Muncy and Freddie Freeman. So they have sent us cards. It looks like they're enclosed in something here. So let's see what they look like.
One touch, I think.
I don't think they're in a one-touch set. I don't know what they're in, but let's pull them out. We'll start with that. Oh yeah, they're in like a little.
Oh wait, they're numbered.
A little box.
They're numbered
cool.
out of a random number.
So look, it says winner. The first one. Let me see if I have how to get these things open.
It's a one touch, I think.
It's sort of like a one.
It probably is a one touch. I know they did this thing. They put like super high-end products in.
So it's
Freddie
the
Freeman
first one you can see there. Freddie Freeman. It says Topps Home Run Challenge winner. And it's numbered, as you can see in the upper left. So that's pretty cool. This is actually
what does it say on the back?
To 567. Let's get them out.
What does it say on the back?
It says on the back,
Congratulations.
Congratulations. You have received a special prize from the 2020 Home Run Challenge for correctly predicting Freddie Freeman would hit a home run in September.
I also told you, probably different for each month.
And then Max Muncy.
Out of 258.
So I'm guessing they just print the right number depending on how many people pick that guy.
And probably how many won it.
Right. Well, that's what I'm saying. 258 people probably picked Max Muncy to hit a home run on the right day that he hit one. And so they get these cards. So this is actually really cool.
I didn't think they would be
so
numbered.
It's actually cool. So it's actually cool.
If I were like that's a cheap 2020 card with a stamp on it. That's what they
The cool thing about it is it's like if normally when you get a numbered card, you're pretty excited. So we've sort of got, pretty low numbered cards here. So I'm actually pretty, that's pretty cool. And they're obviously free cards. So usually those home run challenge cards sort of feel like a junk waste card, but we actually got something out of them. So I am pretty happy with that. Did I just hear a piece of gum fall on the floor? Is this Zachary?
Yeah.
Okay, Zachary has just shattered. Hold on. Clean up the gum. Has shattered a piece of 31-year-old bubble gum. For those who are not familiar, these old baseball packs come with gum, and that is a 31-year-old piece of gum, so I wouldn't advise eating it. Not anything great in the 89 Topps. We are hoping for the Randy Johnson, Zach, I believe. So let's see what we got. Eric Plunk, Greg Cadaret, one of every Met fan's favorite, Mookie Wilson, who hit the famous ground ball in Game 6 of the 1986 World Series through the legs of Bill Buckner. Mark Parent, Bob McClure, I barely remember him on the Mets. Mike Harkey, future star. Nope, not a future star. Well, they were wrong. Ted Power, Bob Brower, the Mexican pitcher from the Dodgers, the great Fernando Valenzuela, burst onto the scene in, I believe, 81, was it? Yes, 1980, and quickly became a star. Danny Darwin, Joe Morgan, manager of the Reds, Whitey Herzog, Ken Gerhart, Kurt Ford, and Kurt Wilkerson.
Now,
Zachy's going to pop open the next pack, 2010 Series 1. We're looking for Buster Posey and Madison Bumgarner.
We got Kyle Blanks, Denard Span, Ivan Rodriguez, Hall of Famer.
Yes, indeed.
The Yankees franchise history. I think this is a reprint of Tim Lincecum.
Yep, that's like a...
Card your mom threw out? Wait, why would it...
Wait.
If this card from 2010, why would it say your mom threw it out?
From 2 years ago. That is a weird thing. But
we got
a cool
peak
card.
Performance of Christy Mathewson.
Pops is going to like this one. One of the all-time greats. Pitched for the New York Giants.
Adam Dunn is our Toppstown card. Mike Sweeney.
Solid player.
And, just 2. Brandon Morrow. And there, the Mets franchise
cool card. This is actually a cool card.
Tom Seaver throwing a pitch.
So Met fans, look, this is a Shea goodbye. This is when Tom Seaver threw out the last pitch ever at Citi Field to Mike Piazza.
Shea Stadium.
I'm sorry, at Shea Stadium before they opened up Citi Field the next season. So that's actually a cool looking card. So So that's a nice one. So let's stick that one aside. Zachy is popping open. What are we opening here? Heritage Minor League. The coolest thing about these cards is the team name.
We got Sixto Sanchez.
One of the great-looking young pitchers in baseball from the Jumbo Shrimp.
Harris Montero.
Don't we have an auto of him?
No.
Or a number card?
Kyle Moore. There's Joe Adele. I knew that was a short print.
Okay, so
it's past 200.
Numbers above 200, as you can see on the back, short print, so they don't make as many of those.
Tyler Stevenson, Tristan Casas, and Helio Ramos.
Of the Flying Squirrels. So we got some nice cards there. Zach's popping open. What are we opening up next, Zach? What packs do we have?
Ginter.
Allen and Ginter. We know we have one more hit left in this box. We'll start with a Hall of Famer, Johnny Bench.
Max Muncy. Zach Wheeler on the Phillies. Barry Larkin.
Hall of Famer.
Mike Mussina.
Hall of Famer.
Trevor Bauer.
Top free agent pitcher.
A Brandon Woodruff mini with the
Allen and Ginter so backs. These are more rare, the Allen and Ginter backs, so that's a cool looking card.
But nowhere as exciting as a Silo.
That's pronounced silo.
Or
silo, where they can store stuff like grain down on the farm. I'm going to open up the next pack.
Okay.
Zach's going to get it ready for me. Thank you, Zachary.
Oh, I thought you opened it.
Thanks. Let's start with the nice rookie card of Logan Webb of the Giants. Ooh, that's a nice one. A rookie cup of superstar Fernando Tatis Jr. Refractor of Elvis Andrus.
And oh my gosh!
Whoa.
Was that a retail pack?
That
was a retail pack!
Oh.
That was a retail pack!
Oh my God.
What? Is it a refractor on it? Wait, oh my, no!
It
No.
So we just got a refractor number to 499
Give me a
autograph.
second to find this.
Zach is checking the odds of pulling a refractor auto out of retail. This is on-card auto, too. Wow, this was not expected.
It might take some time.
Zach is checking. The odds are written on the back of all these packs in really small print, which is one of the reasons I keep Zachary around, because he can read this stuff. He has the much younger, better eyes than I do. Wow.
Autograph. Refractor. 1 in 445. A regular is 1 in 59.
So this shows up in one.
It was even. I never even saw it. Oh,
it's a rookie card of Brock Burke. Not a huge name, but it's cool that it's a rookie and that it's a refractor, Zach. So this is, how many packs are in one of these boxes? 7?
Was it from a value pack or a blaster box?
It was a blaster box.
Oh, so 7. No, I believe 7 or no.
7, I think.
It's rare.
So this is one in about every 64 or 65 blaster boxes. This is really rare.
Yeah,
Wow.
You see a lot of those in hobby when they saw it for.
Yeah, I mean, that was not expected.
Wait, can I see? Is it thicker?
Let's see. Zach wants.
Because I looked at the pack, I didn't really actually.
We're looking to see if the card is a little bit thicker because it's an auto, and yeah, it is a thicker card.
Can I see the back of it?
Look at that! Wow.
400 to 499.
Numbered to 499. You can see that on the upper right, and that was completely the odds of getting an autograph of a refractor in a blaster box, like we said, is about 1 in every 60 or 5 boxes or so. So that is really rare. That was unexpected. We're now going to do Bowman Chrome. Wow, I think we're still in shock. This is the last pack of Bowman Chrome. We already got our 2 autos from this box. Manny Machado. Abraham Toro rookie.
Ooh, that's a purple.
I don't
color. Think they're numbered. They are not. But
okay, we've got a Luis Garcia. Sam Huff.
We saw that now.
The Abraham Toro, and here's the color. It's a purple.
It's numbered.
Dak doesn't think these are numbered. I think he's right. Who is that? What team is that?
It's a
Ray?
Mariner.
I don't even recognize. Who is that?
Julio
Rodriguez.
Is it numbered? Yeah,
it is not numbered.
The purple, they're only in hobby and they're not numbered.
They're not numbered, but it's still really cool. And this is not a first Bowman, but Rodriguez is one of the top prospects in baseball. So again, another really cool card. We are pulling some nice cards from this opening, Zach. I'm really excited.
I think it's like 1 in 15. I think you're supposed to get one.
So we have one more pack.
Now I'm gonna do it.
Zach's gonna do this last pack. If you're if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new watcher, please subscribe. please hit that like button. We're going to see if we can get our likes into the double digits today,
I still
Zach.
can't believe that wasn't a hobby pack.
I can't, that was not a hobby pack, Zach. That was, have no Topps Chrome hobby. That was right out of a blaster box.
Want this video first time and just watch this like again and again and again.
That was really cool. Let me help get these lined up for you, Zach. The Chrome, we're going to make the Chrome the last cards here.
I know that Brockberg's like one of the worst you can get, but
Well,
it's retail.
Right, it's retail. I mean, any autograph
Not
in retail.
planned.
And it's Zach. Remember, it's a refractor. So it makes it a little more valuable. But yeah, that was totally unexpected. Zachy is going to start our last pack.
Travis Demeritte, John Mead, Dan Vogelbach, Bryce Harper, Nolan Arenado, Lorenzo Kane.
There's a nice Pete Alonso.
Insert a talent pipeline of C.J. Abrams, Michael Geddes, and Taylor Trammell.
Yep.
A rookie of the year
nice.
favorites of Bo Bichette.
Nice Bo Bichette rookie card.
Adam Hall, Christian Passe.
Big prospect.
There's Dominguez.
Look at that. Hold on.
Paper.
So, wow, this is a great opening. So, hold on. For those who don't know, and if you don't, you probably don't follow cards very well. This is the #1 superstar Uber Yankee prospect. He was the one that made this product go crazy earlier this year. The prices have dropped on him, but still a really, really cool card. He's just turned 17 years old.
So we got Chris Vallimont, Luis Gil, Wander Franco.
Currently the #1 prospect in baseball.
Chrome, Brian Mata.
Okay, hold up. Go slow.
Germany Pena, first Bowman.
Cool.
Sam Huff, first Bowman.
Cool.
And
pass
on first Bowman.
So
what an opening!
The top 2 cards you probably could pull from Bowman Chrome this year, or a Bowman Chrome card. I mean,
Dominguez and Bobby Witt,
and then maybe Poisson. So this has been absolutely one of our best openings in a really long.
The home run
look at that. We got the 2 home run cards numbered. We got a cool purple of Julio Rodriguez. We got Poisson.
We got this.
Right, the silo. We got a Poisson and a Dominguez. They can't even see those in the pictures, Zach. And we got a unbelievable, unexpected Brock Burke auto. Yes, not a big name, but when something comes in 1 in every 445 packs and you pull it, you are like in shock. So this was a really fantastic opening. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I mean, this was really awesome. I know you did. I did. We all did. Anyway, please leave a like button. Please leave your comments below. And please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Anything else you'd like to add, Zach?
Bye.
As always, everyone, stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye.